What's up, YouTube? So I have acquired a 1991 CBR600 F2. Now this bike is very special because when I was in high school I had a 1994 CBR600 F2 that unfortunately was stolen from me, and I've been looking for another F2 ever since. Now I would have liked to have had a 94 with the purple and black paint scheme, but they're very hard to find, and this one popped up on the radar local. It was a good deal, so I scooped it up. So here we are. Now, first thing to do is strip it down, take it outside. We're gonna pressure wash it, get it all cleaned up as best we can before we tear into this thing and see what's going on. Now the bike does not run currently, but apparently it does run. It's been sitting for a while. So we'll start with a carb clean and go from there. Do a compression test, make sure that we have plenty of compression. As you know, for a motor to run, you need spark, you need air, you need fuel, you need compression. If one of these things are not there, it's a no-go for running motor. So, stay tuned. I'm going to tear this thing down and get it washed. Carbs are off, and as I can see from the needle, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but they are super dirty. Whenever I went to try and move these originally, the slides were stuck. So I'm assuming this right here is the whole reason why this bike doesn't run. So we're going to take these apart, we're going to Kim dip them, get them super clean, throw them back on, sink them. Hopefully this bike runs like a champ after that. Alright guys, that's it for today's episode. Next episode we will be breaking into the carbs and disassembly and cleaning, looking at the jets, make sure everybody's works right, make sure the diaphragms don't have any holes in them or anything, and we'll go from there. Hopefully we can slap this thing together and get it to run. So stay tuned, like and subscribe to this video, and we will see y'all next time. Peace.